You can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform an action. Here's how to set up Back Tap. In Settings, tap Accessibility, and then tap Touch. Now scroll all the way down and tap Back Tap. Tap Double Tap and choose an action from the list. Tap Back Tap to go back. You can also add a triple tap action. Just tap Triple Tap, then choose an action from the list. When you're finished, tap Back Tap to go back. Now you can double or triple tap firmly on the back of your iPhone to perform the action you chose. Tap, tap, done.